Are you trying to figure out the difference between a healthy mouth cleaning or a Prophy and an SRP or a deep cleaning? Well, I'm going to tell you exactly the differences, exactly what we're looking for at the dental offices when you come in to determine the difference between a deep cleaning and a healthy mouth cleaning. All right, the first thing I need to talk to you about is the difference between plaque and tartar. Plaque is that stuff that you get on your teeth that is easily taken off with just some simple brushing, whereas tartar is that stuff that's caked on there pretty good. It's on there really, really good. Sometimes you're gonna try to flake it off with your fingers, but it can't really be taken off by you. It needs to be taken off by a dental specialist. Either that's gonna be the dentist or the dental hygienist. So how do we determine if you need a deep cleaning? These are the three things we look for. Step number one, if you're bleeding when you're brushing or flossing, or when we come in and they're just doing some probing and you're bleeding already, that is a sign of disease. So that is the step number one to determine if you need a deep cleaning. Number two, if you have bone loss, so that you can't really determine by yourself, but we're taking x-rays. If your bone is supposed to be at a certain level and it's less than that, there's a good chance you're gonna need a deep cleaning. And the third, and this is probably the most vital, and this is what we use really to determine if you need a deep cleaning, when the hygienist or the dentist is going in there with that little probe thingy and they're spelling off numbers. If the numbers are 4s and greater, so 4, 5, 6, greater than that, then you're very, very likely gonna need a deep cleaning. So you're saying, Dr. Nate, I know I need a deep cleaning, but I don't wanna pay for it. I don't wanna do this right now. Why should you get this deep cleaning? Let's give you 4 reasons. Reason number one, makes your breath smell so much better. If you have tartar and plaque and all this stuff stuck under there, your breath stinks. It's gonna be gross. That's just how it is. Your breath smells really bad. Number two, if you leave that calculus or that tartar there, it is gonna build up and get bigger and bigger and bigger, which is gonna lead to more bad breath, more bone loss, and more disease. If you do not take it off, it is just gonna get worse and worse and worse. Number three, if you don't take it off, just think of this. You're leaving active infection in your body. Would you go to the medical doctor and you had this scab on your hand and say, no doc, no, I just want a little piece of it cleaned off, not the whole thing? Of course not. You go and you try to get everything cleaned off as good as possible. So number three is you don't want to leave it there because you just don't want to leave active infection in your mouth. And the fourth reason, this is going to seem counterintuitive, but you're going to save money. And you're saying, wait, these deep cleanings, these cost more than just a healthy mouth cleaning. How is that possible? Because if you don't get this done, if you say, hey, I do not want this deep cleaning, that infection is going to get bigger. It's just inevitable. That infection is going to get bigger. It's going to take way more of your bone level. If you have less bone level, the teeth are going to get more and more loose. More and more loose means eventually you're going to have to take those out. And if you haven't had this done yet, I'm sure you have a friend, a grandparent, or somebody who's had to take their teeth out because the bone loss got too bad. And what does that mean? You can't just leave it there because eventually other teeth are going to shift. So you're going to have to replace it with something, and that's going to be maybe an implant or a bridge or something like that, which is going to be probably 7 or 8 or 9 or 10 times the cost of actually just getting that deep cleaning. All right guys, there you have it. It's that easy. That is how you determine the difference between a deep cleaning and a Prophy. Remember, deep cleaning, likely you're gonna have lots of bleeding. You're gonna have deep probing depths. When they go there, they're gonna call out some pretty deep numbers, and you're probably gonna have bone loss. Bone loss, most of the time you can just see in x-rays, but it's pretty darn obvious that you're gonna see this when the dentist shows you. What are the 4 reasons you should get this done? Number one, breath. You want it to smell good. 2, you do not want to keep active infection in there. 3, more calculus is going to lead to more bone loss. Number 4 is it's going to save you money in the long run. All right, so thank you so much for listening to this video. Dr. Nate here again at Thrive Dental and Orthodontics. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I'll do my best to answer all your questions and comments, and I'll see you in the next video.